Hello and welcome back to Businessverse Madness. Today, we take you on an extraordinary journey through the life of Ferruccio Lamborghini, the visionary entrepreneur behind the iconic Lamborghini brand. From humble beginnings to creating some of the world's most coveted supercars, this is a story of determination, innovation, and passion. So, buckle up as we delve into the untold story of Lamborghini. 1. Early life and entrepreneurial spirit. Ferruccio Lamborghini was born on April 28, 1916, in Cento, Italy. Growing up during World War I, he witnessed the struggles of his family's agricultural business. Despite the hardships, Ferruccio showed an early interest in mechanics and engineering. After World War II, Ferruccio used his mechanical skills to help rebuild surplus military vehicles and tractors. This experience fueled his passion for agricultural machinery and inspired him to create his own brand of tractors. In 1948, Ferruccio founded Lamborghini Trattori, an innovative tractor manufacturing company that quickly gained recognition for its cutting-edge designs and superior performance. 2. The rise of Lamborghini tractors. Lamborghini Trattori's success was meteoric. The brand's tractors were hailed for their durability and efficiency, earning Ferruccio significant wealth and reputation in the agricultural industry. As his wealth grew, Ferruccio developed a passion for luxury cars and began collecting high-end vehicles like Ferraris, Maseratis, and Mercedes-Benz. However, he soon found himself dissatisfied with the performance of his cars. In 1963, an incident with his Ferrari led to a life-changing decision. Ferruccio approached Enzo Ferrari with suggestions for improving his car, but Enzo dismissed him, stating that he was merely a tractor manufacturer and knew nothing about sports cars. 3. The birth of Automobili Lamborghini. Determined to prove his worth, Ferruccio Lamborghini took up the challenge of building his own sports car. In 1963, he founded Automobili Lamborghini in Sant'Agata Bolognese, Italy. To design his dream car, Ferruccio enlisted the help of some of the finest engineers and designers in the automotive industry, including Giotto Bizzarini and Gian Paolo Dallara. In 1964, Lamborghini unveiled its first creation, the Lamborghini 350 GT. It was a masterpiece, featuring a V12 engine, elegant design, and remarkable performance. The car was an instant hit among car enthusiasts and critics alike. 4. Innovations and successes. With the success of the 350 GT, Lamborghini continued to innovate and push the boundaries of automotive engineering. In 1966, Lamborghini introduced the iconic Miura, a mid-engine supercar that revolutionized the automotive world. The Miura's design and performance set new standards for the industry and solidified Lamborghini's position as a top-tier supercar manufacturer. Lamborghini's success continued with the introduction of the Espada, the Germa, and the legendary Countach in the 1970s. The Countach, in particular, became an automotive icon and a dream car for many enthusiasts. 5. Challenges and changes. Despite the successes, Lamborghini faced financial challenges in the 1970s. The 1973 oil crisis and mismanagement led to the company's bankruptcy in 1978. In the early 1980s, Lamborghini changed ownership several times, but it struggled to maintain stability and maintain its reputation for excellence. In 1998, Audi AG, a subsidiary of Volkswagen Group, acquired Lamborghini. Under Audi's ownership, Lamborghini experienced a renaissance, with a focus on technological advancements and luxurious design. 6. The legacy of Ferruccio Lamborghini. Ferruccio Lamborghini's vision and determination laid the foundation for one of the most prestigious and recognizable supercar brands in the world. His passion for perfection and his relentless pursuit of innovation continue to be at the heart of every Lamborghini produced today. While Ferruccio Lamborghini passed away on February 20, 1993, his legacy lives on, inspiring generations of automotive enthusiasts and reminding us that dreams can be transformed into reality with hard work and dedication. The story of Ferruccio Lamborghini and his transformation from a tractor manufacturer to the founder of one of the most coveted supercar brands is truly remarkable. His journey is a testament to the power of following one's passions and believing in one's abilities, no matter the circumstances. We hope you enjoyed this captivating journey through the life of Ferruccio Lamborghini. If you found this story inspiring, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating stories from the world of automobiles. Until next time, take care and stay curious.